Good morning everybody, it's currently 8 in the morning and I got woken up to the sound of my dog. So for those of you who don't already know, I already got a dog. His name is Sparky and he is this very beautiful maltipoo. He's only about 2 months old. Yeah, he's still quite young and he's still quite active for a pup. So yeah, so today's vlog I'll be walking you through a day in life of what it's like to be a dog owner. It's only been about 4 days since I started taking care of Sparky, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. Hi Kitty! Hi Kitten! So this is Sparky, he's trying to have separation anxiety. So I'm going to feed Sparky his breakfast now. So what I usually do is, right, you take like 1 spoon like this. Sparky, no, not from the spoon. Sparky. Ah. Okay, it's really... So my dad's distracting him right now. So he'll go one side, right? And then I'll put the food into the bowl, so that he can eat better from there instead of having to pick out all the bits and pieces on the floor and from the spoon as well. So you guys know, he's having breakfast before I'm having breakfast. I'm a very responsible owner. Isn't that right, Sparky? So sometimes I have to point to him where the food is, because he was like, stop eating halfway. I don't know why, sometimes he just forgets to eat his food. Doesn't finish his food sometimes. Sparky, no, the food is there. It's very thirsty. Sparky, where you go? Sparky, mama. Sparky, ayo. Sparky. Ah.
What the dog doing?
So that over there was supposed to be the tent we were supposed to put in my bedroom for him to sleep in, but he pooped on the tent like literally at the entrance, so we had to bring it to wash, but it's clean now. Sparky? Oh no, he's following the jeans.
Don't chew up. Hurry up.
So these are some of Sparky's treats. I'm gonna place it in the bowl now. Oh, this is the treats that I got for Sparky. I usually don't feed him a lot of these, only when he's on his best behavior. Hey Sparky? Thirsty? Thirsty? The water's here.
I'm so lazy.
Are you okay?
I don't care, leave me alone.
He loves you a lot, you know that? Sparky is at his teething stage, which means he tends to bite like a lot of things, including my fingers and my legs. Of course I'm still trying to discipline him, but like obviously I can't just like beat him out, right? So what I tend to do is I just like clap my hands at him because it makes a very loud sound and he'll get frightened by it. So he knows that that's something you're not supposed to do. Let me introduce you to his toys. You can't really see their faces, but actually I got a toy cloud for him as well as a toy jar for him to chew on. There is a orange bone there as well, and there's also a ball which was actually meant to be my cousin's stress ball, but look where we are now. So cute like this. Wow. Sparky, why did you try to bite me? I don't think I've woken up so early for anything at all, not even to exercise in the morning, but with him I just feel a need to, you know. Alright, so we got him some new stuff. So this spray is to guide him where to pee and poop, because it has like a pee poo scent, and dogs typically tend to pee where they've already peed before, so they'll try to like sniff out the scent. Hopefully this works, because he's been peeing and pooing all over the place. It's very inconsistent. Sometimes he pees on the pee pad, other times he poos on the floor. It's very inconsistent. And next we got is this rope, because basically it's kind of like a new toy for him, and also because it's really good because the material is very hard, and Sparky is going through his teething phase like I said before, so he's gonna need something really hard to like chew and bite on. Next thing we got is this harness. This is gonna be used when we bring him out, just carry him around our chest area and just take him along like that. But when he is all grown up and ready to, you know, walk, this is his leash. His collar is upstairs actually, and this is his comb for grooming. He needs to get used to the scent.
You like it? Give it to him.
Yeah. Let him go. Sparky, do you like your new toy? And he's gone. Do you like your new toy, Sparky? Seems to like it a lot. Oh, he's so adorable. Yeah. I'm trying to comb down his fur now. To do it very gently. Feels very therapeutic for him. Oh, Sparky no. It gets really rough at the end for some reason. It's like where most of the fur hairs are tangled.
Oh, sorry.
Sparky's gonna take a shower now. He looks very scared. He looks very skinny when his like fur is all bathed out. Oh, it smells so nice. It was a very nice shower, but the water is not really that warm, even though like we already turned on the heater. My dad's currently showering him right now. I'm just sitting back and trying to learn how to shower him. So we're going over to my aunt's place now, and we've placed him in this little plastic cage thing so that he won't like try to move around the car. But he hates tight spaces like a lot, so we have to make it fast and quick. And we are heading off. And yes, I've just showered, and we'll be heading on our way to my aunt's house because I need to give my cousin tuition. Welcome home, Sparky!
Yes, Sparky! Yes, Sparky!
So how do you find Sparky?
Very cute, but for her sharp.
So Sparky, we recently found out that Sparky likes to have apples as a treat.
It's an apple. Sparky, come, jump!
What the heck?
Come.
I think he's very confused. Sparky! Sparky, we are going home! We are going home! We're going home, Sparky! Hi, everybody, I am back home and so is Sparky. so I'm just gonna bring him up to his cage and then we'll feed him supper. That is a day in the life of a dog owner taking care of a precious dog. I hope that through this video you get to experience the joy and the stress of owning a dog. It's absolutely not an easy feat, but definitely brings so much joy just to, you know, take care of a pet and for that affection to be reciprocated back as well. So if you like videos or you want to see more doggy content, which I hope there is once he is more mature and grown up, make sure you click that subscribe button, like this video, comment, boost my engagement, man. And yeah, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!